Hi everyone, Lena here from Tuta. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can subscribe to external calendars in Tuta Calendar. So you'll see over here we have our Tuta Calendar open, and basically to subscribe to an external calendar we have to have a valid URL that we can enter and use to subscribe to. So I've got one here. I'm going to copy this URL, go back to Tuta Calendar, and when you click on this plus here next to your calendars, you can see you can subscribe from a URL, and I simply paste that in and click subscribe. And what you'll see is that here I have now subscribed to public holidays in South Africa, and these now appear in my calendar, and they also show down here. Here you have the option to either edit it, export it, sync it. If for some reason you feel it's not syncing and appearing correctly, we'd recommend clicking this. Or if I want to remove it, I could simply unsubscribe and that should go away. What's really nice about this is that if your children have a school calendar and it's made publicly available, you can subscribe to it and it automatically adds the dates into your Tuta calendar. And yeah, this was a quick and easy tutorial on how to subscribe to external calendars. As always, our teams are working hard to improve our current features and develop new ones. For example, the Tuta Drive or one-click migration, which is currently in closed beta. Yeah, stay tuned because on our YouTube channel, we continuously post new product updates as well as how-to videos like this. So click that subscribe button, and until next time, see you.